I'm so excited. First tee starts Monday. I've been doing a lot of work getting ready. I'm so tired. Hey, First Tee family, Coach Jimmy Beers here. Dreams do come true. Monday, June 8th, we start classes, and you caught me right in the middle of a dream. And my dream is all about Monday's class, and we're going to teach the kids how to do a little chipping. And I am so excited to teach the kids how to do a little wide chipping. I'm going to start dancing and have a little fun. I can't sleep, so let's do this. Come on. Little Y, chip, Y. Here we go. So the cue to Y chipping is going to be the two arms make the top of the Y, the club makes the bottom of the Y. When we swing a chip shot, we want to keep the Y the whole time. If we use just our hands, we break the Y. So let's just keep the Y. Y, chip, Y. That's what we're going to be teaching the kids this week here at the First Tee. Greater Akron. That's a good one. And one more, big swing. I'm so excited. Kids, as soon as I wake up from this dream, I'll see you Monday. I had the craziest dream. First Tee starts Monday. We're so excited.